Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization of this one. So about this one I will put about s squared and s squared in here. About this one, number 6x, I will put into x and 5x. Now we can do about factorization by s squared. This one by x, this one by number 5. And now we can do about factorization by s plus 1. Next, about this one, I can put into 2x minus 3x. So we can do about factorization by 2x. This one by negative number 3. And now we can do another factorization by s plus 1. Next, we simplify s plus 1 on numerator and denominator. Next, I will put negative number 1 going here, here, and here. So we have the final answer. And now we got the final answer in here. That is about negative number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.